Alright, just to draw your attention, I did change the var www.html index.html file, and I just made it into an HTML security awareness website. So I did change the title and the header, infosec, and this is a test working on Debian. But here I added a frame, iframe, source equals itsecurityguru.org, and I gave a width and height, and I closed the iframe tag right here. So if I go to where I was before, where was I? Right here. And if I go to infosec, this is on my host right here, and that is 192.168.1.152. You can see that this is this is the frame that I was talking about. So you can go ahead and be creative, and you can make it seem like you are actually a system admin, a real system admin, and you are creating a Apache web page, and you can use it as a security awareness web page. I literally just kind of cheated, and I just brought in another website, guru.com, and you can imagine you can actually make this so that it looks like the website is coming from your website. You can like increase the frame, and you can get all this good stuff already in your web page. Imagine you can have a bunch of these, and you can have one heck of a information security website. I understand it's not secure. We can work on making it secure this coming week. There's just a lot of, it's not a lot, but there's a certain way you have to you actually have to approach the applying the HTTPS, and you can use it. You can make it use SSL or TSL certificates to make this into HTTPS, and if your certificates are renewed properly, this actually becomes the lock icon instead of the lock with a with a slash through it. But that being said, for this week, this would be fine. And I want you to imagine that you can actually run Wireshark on your host, and you can monitor how the connection is actually being made. Here we are on the client, and we can go to our Mozilla right here, and it always asks us to set as default, and I'm not going to do that. This is on my Windows 11 client right here, and we can go to 192.168. It already has it in here, 152, and there is our infosec right here. And let me go back, and let's begin capturing the connection with Wireshark, and we can go to capture start, and we can shrink this, go back to our Firefox, and again it asks us to have Firefox as our default, and we just say no. And again, sorry about this, HTTP 192.168.152, and this is the infosec again, and we can go to our Wireshark, and we can stop capturing, and then we can go to filter, and we're gonna filter for port 80, and we can actually capture the three-way handshake right here. So that is packet number 35, 51, and 52. This is the SYN. This is the synchronization request by the client. That's this Windows 11. This is the synchronization acknowledgement, and that is sent by the server. And this is the acknowledgement. So this is the three-way handshake, and then we could go to analyze, follow, TCP stream, and we can see here that it's actually, we should see, well, actually it didn't, oh, you know what, we need to go to port 80, that's this one right here, and then we could go to analyze, follow, and TCP stream, and there should be a drag down right here, and it doesn't show it. 1 second. Let me see, which one would it be? 66, maybe it is analyze, follow, HTTP stream. Okay, my apologies. I actually had to filter for port 80, and then you had to look for the source, and that is the source is in this case the source is 192.168.152, and that is sending the actual HTTP, and I can actually do it for you. So you click on it, and then go to analyze, and then follow HTTP stream, and this will lead you to the actual plain text of the actual website. So apologies, it took me a second, but because I went through Mozilla Firefox, and there's so many requests that come, then you can see that you had to filter further and find the packet that actually sends the home page, and we were actually able to find it.